ये जो फिल्म है द कश्मीर फाइल्स, इसने एक वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाया है पहली बार विश्व के इतिहास में।
मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मैं किसी चीज में वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड तोड़ूंगी, लेकिन मैंने तोड़ दिया है।
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनते देखना अपने आंखों के सामने बड़ी बात है, वो भी जलेबी का वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड।
मेरी कंपनी कैलबे वाटर एंड सोडा ने इंटरनेशनल बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड में अपना नाम दर्ज कर लिया है।
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड की हैट्रिक बना के अपना नाम इंटरनेशनल बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स दर्ज करवा जा रही है।
Hi, this is Vinoja.
Hey, I'm Arun. We are the proud parents of Mithra. Mithra is 3 years and 11 months old.
We are so honored to say that Mithra has attempted to set a record to be the youngest kid in the whole world to solve 300-piece puzzle.
Our daughter, she is very intelligent and smart, and she focuses on things she loves. And her love for puzzles, it's beyond any other toy. It was about 7 months we gifted her a board puzzle. Maybe about when she was 10 months old, she was able to solve that puzzle.
I still remember when my brother Vignesh and his wife presented Mithra with a 32-piece story puzzle. We really didn't give it to her and thought she's too young to solve it. And one day she said, "Mama, come, let's solve this puzzle." We solved it together. And on the 5th attempt, she did it on her own.
That's the inspiration. So we slowly increased the puzzle count from 50 to 72 and then to 100. Whenever we increased the count, she did it with so much happiness. The way she approached it was so good, So we became so ambitious, and now we presented her with this 300-piece puzzle. And you know what? She did it.
We thought she needed a platform for better appreciation, which could motivate her to do more in the future. We greatly thank International Book of Record for making our wish come true. The world will know Mithra as a champion through International Book of Record. Thank you so much, International Book of Record, for this opportunity.